I want to share a story about my experience with my mini PC, the Minisforum HX99G. Towards the end of last year, the computer stopped turning on. The power button was unresponsive. I tried a few tricks I knew, but nothing worked, so I contacted Minisforum support. They provided instructions on troubleshooting steps. Unfortunately, none of their suggestions worked, and I discovered some burn marks on the motherboard. I photographed the damage and sent the photos to support. Minisforum confirmed the issue was not my fault. Since my warranty was still valid, they offered a replacement. I returned the damaged PC, and within 3 weeks, they sent me a brand new replacement. I'm really grateful for their excellent customer service. They didn't argue or make it difficult. Now I'm happily using brand new PC, not which is a refurbish, new. And today I am adding an additional M.2 1TB SSD. By the way, after noticing the burn marks on motherboard in my previous experience with this mini PC and receiving a new one thanks to Minisforum support, I've decided to enhance the cooling system. On my channel, you can also watch a video where I add a M.2 120mm fan to this mini PC. Please check it out, subscribe, and like my videos. Thank you. Now we're carefully unscrewing the tiny screw that secures the Wi-Fi module and the SSD on the Minisforum HX99G motherboard. Always handle these internal components with care, especially around the antenna cables and surrounding chips. I'm going to move the M.2 NVMe SSD to the second slot to improve airflow and cable management inside the case. When working with compact mini PCs like this, every millimeter matters, and precision is key. Next, we're checking the RAM modules, making sure both sticks are seated properly and functioning well. No dust, no corrosion. Removing the second stick now just to inspect the contacts and the slots underneath. Everything looks clean and in perfect condition. No signs of overheating or burnouts on the motherboard, which is always a good sign. Now we reinsert the memory back into place, tighten the screws carefully, and reattach disconnected cables if any. The final step is reassembling the unit, making sure the thermal pads, heat sinks, and cooling modules are aligned properly. This ensures optimal performance and stable thermals. Thanks for watching this part of the HX99G internal check and SSD adding and relocation. If you enjoy hands-on PC content, mods, and upgrades, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps and motivates me to make more.